Good morning. First one of the day, returning client for his yearly mint up Honda CB650R. I did this a year ago. He rides it every day. This is a testament to a Trott full Monty valet. Look at this. No corrosion on it whatsoever. He rides this daily. Apart from the exhaust is a bit manky down there, which we'll polish up. No corrosion. Look at those banjo bolts, caliper bolts, all rust free. So we're going to do another one of our full Montys, get this all minted up. We'll get that chain serviced. Chain looking a little dry. We'll get that all serviced. Get some fresh chain lube on there. We'll get that collector box down there polished. Get the front of that exhaust polished and get a fresh coating of XCP. Making sure to keep this bike corrosion free. Give me a couple hours. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Honda CB650R has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Look at that exhaust. This bike's got 8,500 miles on it. Not a speck of corrosion. We did do a full works package on this last time, so it's had a whole dose of signature 4K ceramic. I have just re-ceramic these wheels. All that chain's been serviced. Look at the nuts. Not a speck of rust. This is why it's so important to get your bike properly protected. I said we did this bike a year ago. He rides it daily. Banjo bolts, everything is perfect on this. Engine just had a nice coating of XCP. I re-ceramic the mudguard and the wheels. Good old signature 4K ceramic. Look at that shock. Not a speck of rust. 8,400 miles. Get yours booked in now. 6 days a week we're open. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.